Imagine a tranquil corner in your own garden, a space yearning for purpose, for beauty, for a touch of handcrafted elegance. Picture yourself unwinding, morning coffee in hand, amidst the gentle rustle of leaves, or sharing a quiet moment with a loved one as the sun dips below the horizon. What if that perfect spot wasn't just a dream, but a tangible creation, born from your own hands, designed to harmonize with the natural canvas of your outdoor sanctuary? For too long, our green spaces have offered solace, yet sometimes they lack that one inviting element, that welcoming embrace for contemplation or shared laughter. We often find ourselves searching for pieces that truly resonate with our personal aesthetic, only to discover that the most meaningful additions are those we craft ourselves. It's about more than just furniture. It's about infusing a piece of your spirit into the very fabric of your home, extending comfort and charm beyond your walls. Today, we embark on a journey to transform a simple outdoor area into a cherished retreat, building a bespoke wooden garden bench that promises not just seating, but a unique focal point, a testament to thoughtful design and the enduring appeal of natural materials. This isn't merely about constructing a bench, it's about curating an experience, an invitation to linger longer, to connect more deeply with the quiet majesty of your garden, turning an ordinary lawn into an extraordinary haven.
The vision is clear: a sturdy, elegant wooden bench, perfectly integrated, offering both repose and aesthetic delight. Soon, this vision will become your reality. Every great creation begins with a clear intention and meticulous preparation. Our journey starts not with grand gestures, but with the careful selection of materials and the precise definition of our canvas. We scout the ideal location within the garden, considering sun exposure, surrounding foliage, and the existing flow of the landscape. The goal is to build a piece that feels organic, as if it has always belonged, rather than merely placed. Lumber, chosen for its durability and natural beauty, is gathered, inspected, and laid out, anticipating its transformation. This initial phase, often underestimated, is the bedrock of success, ensuring every cut, every joint, every angle aligns with the final vision. It's about laying the groundwork, both literally and figuratively, for a structure that will withstand the elements and provide countless moments of enjoyment. The raw materials hold immense potential, awaiting the touch of craftsmanship to unlock their innate elegance. With the vision firmly in mind, the tangible work begins. Precision is paramount as we meticulously measure each piece of lumber, ensuring every cut aligns perfectly with our design specifications. The sound of the saw, rhythmic and purposeful, marks the beginning of our transformation.
Once cut, the individual components for the bench's sturdy frame are carefully laid out, awaiting assembly. Pilot holes are drilled with unwavering accuracy, a critical step to prevent splitting and ensure a secure, lasting bond. Then, with a combination of robust wood glue and durable outdoor screws, the foundational elements are joined. Each connection is tightened, each angle checked, as the base structure of our bench starts to take shape. This initial framework, though seemingly simple, dictates the integrity and stability of the entire piece, promising a foundation that will stand strong against the test of time and weather. The deliberate, measured actions reinforce the commitment to quality, building a piece that is not only beautiful but inherently reliable. As the main frame solidifies, our attention turns to the elements that define comfort and form, the seat and the backrest. Here, the choice of lumber and the careful spacing are crucial for both aesthetics and ergonomics. Long, smooth planks are measured, cut, and prepared to form the inviting surface where countless hours of relaxation will be spent. Each plank is meticulously positioned, observing the ideal gaps for drainage and visual harmony. With steady hands and focused precision, these planks are then securely fastened to the robust frame, transforming raw wood into functional seating. The process is repeated for the backrest, angling the support just so to ensure optimal comfort.
This stage is where the bench truly begins to emerge, its purpose becoming undeniable. The rhythmic tapping of the drill, the deliberate alignment of each piece, all contribute to the growing sense of completion, shaping the raw materials into a welcoming form. We are building not just a seat, but an invitation to pause, to observe, to simply be. With the structure complete, the focus shifts to refinement and protection. The raw wood, though beautiful, needs to be prepared for its life outdoors. This means meticulous sanding, a vital step that transforms rough edges and splintered surfaces into smooth, inviting textures. Power sanders glide across the broad surfaces, efficiently removing imperfections, while fine hand sanding addresses intricate curves and corners, ensuring every inch is soft to the touch. The air fills with the faint scent of wood dust, a byproduct of dedication. Once perfectly smooth, the bench is thoroughly cleaned, wiping away every trace of dust to prepare for the crucial finishing stage. A high-quality outdoor wood stain or sealant is then carefully applied, chosen not only for its protective qualities against moisture, UV rays, and pests, but also for its ability to enhance the wood's natural grain and color. Each brushstroke is deliberate, coating the entire surface, infusing the wood with a rich, protective layer that promises longevity and adds a deep, inviting warmth to its appearance.
This step is a celebration of the wood itself, allowing its inherent character to shine through while fortifying it against the elements, guaranteeing years of enjoyment. The moment arrives when all refined components converge. If constructed in sections for ease of finishing, the final assembly is a swift, satisfying process, each part fitting perfectly into its destined place. With the last screws tightened and the protective finish gleaming, the bench is ready to find its permanent home. The journey from raw lumber to a finished piece of garden furniture culminates in its careful placement within the selected spot in the lawn. This isn't just a matter of setting it down, it's about integration, ensuring the bench feels like a natural extension of the landscape, an organic addition rather than an intrusive one. We consider the angles, the views it affords, and how it interacts with the surrounding flora. A slight adjustment here, a gentle shift there, until it settles into its perfect orientation, poised to offer comfort and charm. The visual impact is immediate. A sense of purpose now defines the space, an inviting presence drawing the eye and promising repose. It transforms a mere patch of green into a designed destination, a testament to the power of thoughtful placement. And there it stands, the culmination of vision, patience, and dedicated craftsmanship.
The wooden garden bench, once a collection of raw planks and a concept, now reposes in its rightful place, a testament to the transformative power of a DIY spirit. Every joint is strong, every surface smooth, every detail reflecting the care invested in its creation. As the final touches are added, a comfortable cushion here, a small, vibrant potted plant placed delicately nearby, the bench transcends its functional purpose, becoming a true focal point, an artistic addition to the outdoor symphony. The garden breathes new life with this unique feature, its presence inviting, its form harmonious with the surrounding natural beauty. The subtle gleam of the treated wood, the robust lines, the inviting expanse of the seat, it all converges into a single, breathtaking statement of outdoor elegance. This is not just a place to sit, it is a destination, a quiet sanctuary carved out of the everyday, promising moments of peace, reflection, and shared joy. The space has been utterly redefined, enriched by a bespoke element that feels both timeless and deeply personal, ready to be enjoyed for years to come. The effort was considerable, but the reward, tangible and enduring, is immeasurable. The project is complete, and the transformation is absolute. What began as an empty space or a vague notion has blossomed into a cherished reality, a bespoke wooden garden bench, standing proudly, fully integrated into the tapestry of the garden.
Observe how the sunlight catches the rich grain of the wood, how its solid form provides a sense of anchor amidst the soft foliage. This is more than just a piece of furniture. It is an experience, a haven for quiet moments and lively conversations alike. Imagine the countless dawns it will witness, the sunsets it will frame, the stories it will silently absorb. From the first cut of lumber